Hi guys, this video is particularly about my journey learning full stack development course, but that's not the only case. Actually, I just want to share it to how to start the things and finish the things successfully. But the first thing was choosing, because in this social media era we have a lot of options and lot of informations, so it's really very difficult to choosing the things, because like in 30 minutes I can watch 15 plus reels, okay, but at least I think there is only one reel which will actually getting effort from me to watch a full video about it, okay. It's not going to happen for all the things, so you have to be very careful about it. You can hear or you can see a lot of things, but all the things not going to attract you. The heart definitely find the right choice for you. Have you ever felt some curiosity, no matter what? Uh, how many a lot of people going to say you can't, you don't do it, but you can do it, and there is a lot of time effort also, but you are not going to care about it. Some level at some point of your life, if you are ready to do the things, whatever it costs, you are ready to do it. So find like that thing, okay. Don't do it. A lot of people are particularly liking that thing, okay, like going to the gym, reading books, like that, okay, because a lot of people are doing. Don't go and do it. Don't try some new things. Maybe you have it in you, but you stopped in between your life, like when you get into the college, or when you are getting the mobile phone, super mobile phone, you forgot in which place you are very good, okay. So recall it and reinvent it little bit differently, okay. um, if a lot of people, if a lot of people saying that early morning is good, that's not right, okay. Late night also good. If you are a late night person, do something which is useful to you, you will get a good sleep. So just experiment it, okay. For me, after reading Experiments with Truth by Gandhiji, I think we have that ability experimenting all the things. So experiment it for a try for a week, doing some late night. Maybe you have it in you when you are in your academic studies. Maybe you are a late night person, maybe you are a early morning person. Just reinvent it. After apart from studying, you can choose some other things to do in that particular time. But first of all, I want to say it to you, don't do random things. Find your reason why you actually want to do something. And the second thing was, your heart find it for you, okay. Maybe you can see a lot of heroes in the screen, but your heart aches for only one actor, okay. Just find that, okay. Wait for it. Definitely heart will find it for you. Wait for that. The first part, so for me the reason was, some person really trust me, I can do this course. I take it as a challenge, and I want to prove him that I can do it within a 2 month. I'm not I'm not going to get any money or any job after this. That's not my expectation. That's not my goal. That's not my reason. I just want to prove him that his trust in me, uh, going to it's not going into downfall. I just want to prove him that I am that worthy person. So I just started it solely for him, not for me. The reason behind it, you maybe you can some other reason too, like uh, if you want to career change, or if you want to learn a new things out of the curiosity, like that. The second part was finding the correct guidance. Actually, we have idea to do something, but we don't know the steps to follow. Because when I first have a curiosity and also necessity to learn aptitude, in my college it's not available, so I just started learning by myself. But I have some really very hardest thing, because there is a lot of tricks. So I actually done a lot of research for at least 2 to 3 months, because there is a lot of YouTubers and there is a lot of information and there is a lot of hard work behind the YouTubers also. Connecting to all the people is not going to be work out. But finally I found it, because all the videos and what they are conveying to us, it's really very understandable for me, because everybody have a different understanding level. Maybe some people want a practical approach, some people want a theoretical approach, some people want a practicing approach. So there is a lot of variations, but it take me 3 months, because continuously I am learning, continuously switching from YouTube to YouTube, and finally I found one, and I actually give money and started learning. I actually finished only quantitative aptitude and English, not logical reasoning. But anyway, I just give my part to it. I think you can practice this also if you really want to start early morning wake up. See versatile of idea of early morning wake up, because a lot of people wake at 4 or 3, maybe 5 too, and lot of people doing a very different thing. Some people go for gym, some people take a read, some people just journaling, and we are actually they are doing what they are getting out of it. If you see a lot of videos, you can find a some sparkle about a YouTube video. They can definitely set how the process will be, where you are going to start and how you are going to finish, and they will definitely help you in your life journey too. The second part was finding the correct guidance for me in this particular course. Actually, the person is actually, for me, the person who trust me was have actually the person who trust me have 10 plus experience in IT industry. He only suggests me this course, full stack development course, and I'm very happy about it, because it's 100% practical. When it's coming to the code, we are actually working in the backend, so it's not going to be visible output for me when I started learning some small things in YouTube. Okay, when we are at first, so it's very practical. It's really very visible. When I am putting the code, I get the exact output. I am getting the visible output, so it excites me more. Because I can learn separately HTML, CSS, and separately JavaScript, separately C Sharp, and separately API, separately front end, separately back end, separately SQL. A lot of things are there. But I don't know how the output when it's all put together. Okay, but this course really helped me to understand how all the things getting work together. So it's really very plus point for me in this particular course. Maybe you too get. I will give it in the description. This link, I purchased this course in Udemy with 500 ENOS. The third thing was really very big problem. It's not important. Maybe choosing over choosing the thing, getting the guidance, it's all easy if you are getting it in from the very first, like 10th standard, 12th standard, and also college. But what it's really um, hard is doing the things continuously till the end, till what we want. Okay, we want something, we have to work toward the end, toward the finishing line. We actually want to do, but it's not easy, because we are failing at some level when it comes into the consistently doing. We actually have it in our mind first 2 weeks, maybe. I think we are always have it in mind, we have to do it, we have to do it. Out of the curiosity, we actually started doing it. But at some level, we first forgetting about the course. Okay, whatever we are starting, maybe you are started getting up in early morning, maybe you can fail. Okay, you actually want to do wake up early 5, you put the alarm, you actually try, maybe you can wake up at 5:45, maybe you can wake up 5:30, or maybe you can wake up 6, but constantly you are trying at least for a week or 2 week. But after that, you are failing, you are not noticing. The real problem was not getting failed, the real problem was not trying it. Okay, after 2 weeks, maybe I think we are that capable trying for 2 weeks. After that, we are actually dropping it. Don't do it. If you have the strong reason what you are doing, if you're choosing it perfectly, and you are getting a guidance, or experiment by yourself. You don't always need a guidance. If you are not satisfied with the guidance, you can experiment it with by yourself. Okay. After that, the problem was not it's about doing work, how to be consistent. Don't be like that. You have some problem in particular thing. First of all, uh, coming to my side, when I get into the course, I have a serious problem when it's going into the error. I'm not a computer person. For in my 12th standard, I didn't choose a computer science. Even in my engineering, I didn't choose computer science. So getting into the error, it's really very hard for me. I don't know how to solve the problem. The instructor clearly said you can clear your error in some website like Stack Overflow or something. Even if I had it, I didn't know anything about it because I'm at the intermediate level course. I'm a very beginner and I'm doing it intermediate level. There is a lot of error. Maybe it is very simple. I don't know how to solve it. So I just get stuck. This is the first obstacle I faced when I started this course. I suddenly stopped. Stopped this course because I don't know how to go it further. It took me 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. And suddenly I saw that there is one part including the Q&A section, and and there I'm done. Because if we have any doubt, we are getting any error, I just copy the error statement or just screenshot my screen and post it in there. Within a day, the instructor will clear my error. Definitely, he helped me to move forward. And I have then another problem was when it is Saturday or Sunday, he didn't reply me for 2 days. He actually started replying his messages on Monday. So it's a little break. When it come to a little break, we take it as if we have 1 day break, we take it as a today. And when I am getting it today, and I took it like 4 day, so it's happened like that. So this is the first obstacle actually what I faced struggle, but unfortunately I found my solution how to get out of the error. And obstacle number two, actually I started this course to finish it in 2 months, but that's not what it happened. That's not what happened. After I didn't touch the course for nearly a year. I didn't see a single. I didn't really touch it for a year. I didn't do it because I started searching for my job and I'm getting a job and going front and back to Chennai. There is a lot of problem. I nearly stopped too. Suddenly, I am getting what is the problem was because my laptop was broken. That is the reason why I stopped. I didn't know at that point why I stopped because I thought myself maybe to 2 week, maybe 3 week or 2 months I'm not able to do it, I'm not interested in it. There is a lot of things in my mind. After a year, my friend says I'm using my office laptop for some things. I don't know, maybe putting I don't know for his personal reason he uses his office laptop. He suddenly it struck me that when I really stopped my course was when my laptop got broken. My own laptop got broken. After that I didn't take care of my laptop because I'm getting my own laptop, office laptop. Suddenly it hit me. Yeah, why I stopped means I didn't know how to I didn't know how to install all the things and how to copy the project that I do in my old laptop and uh, fully transform into my new laptop. I didn't know anything about it. Suddenly it struck me, it hit me, and I go through the course. I directly asked the instructor how to change it, and he said me the course is updated after a year because it's going for Angular 15 or 16 to 17 or 18. So we have to update the course. So he navigate me some section, and I follow the instruction. I actually easily transform the course from my old laptop to new laptop. It took me 4 months actually to finish. Actually, this is the second obstacle, nearly a year for me to find the solution. Why I stopped doing the things. Maybe you are also stopping something because it's not that you are lazy, you are not consistent, you are not able to do it. Maybe that's not the reason. If you really want something, you can do anything for it. Okay, that is our nature. If we want something, we can do anything for it. So there is no compromise in it. But you are still stuck in some point. You are having some problem with external things. Find it out. For me, take to solve my obstacle one was to me a week or two. Okay, But the second obstacle was it took me a year to find it out. But anyway, now I finished it. I'm really very happy, very fulfilled, and it's really a motivation for me. I actually finished one thing. It's a really beautiful thing, because it's not easy to finish what you start. Okay, and also I started a three. I actually restarted another course which I stopped. I started 4 years back, stopped 3 years back. Okay, I restarted it. Actually, the first one motivated me to do the second thing. So I just want to share it to you. It's not the problem is not you. Maybe some external things, in my opinion. Find it out. If you have any some external problems, comment it and how you solving it. Okay. If you find it by now. Okay. If you have good reason and correct guidance, if you really want it, you are going to do anything for it. Okay, just do it till the end, till you getting the thing you want. Okay, by the way, thank you. This is what I want to share it to you. Don't think that you won't able to do it. Maybe you have some other problem. Just go and find it out and continue to do the things which you actually stopped doing a year ago, a month ago, a week ago, and long ago, whatever it may be. Try to do finish the things. Anyway, bye. By Kausika. Anyway, bye.